Deep in the heart of the lush highland bamboo forest, advanced drones glide silently through the air, scanning each emerald stalk to ensure peak structural maturity. Digital sensors flash as they map the forest, assigning unique QR codes to the finest bamboo specimens selected for a revolutionary architectural journey across the globe today. A high precision robotic arm executes a perfect cut, its surgical blade gliding through the bamboo with effortless grace, leaving a surface as smooth as polished glass. Notice the impeccable precision of the automated harvest, where technology respects nature, ensuring every piece of bamboo is treated with the utmost care and professional respect. Harvested bamboo poles glide through the air on a silent maglev conveyor system, moving toward the futuristic white dome of the central processing facility for specialized treatment. This frictionless transport system minimizes impact on the forest floor, demonstrating a seamless integration of cutting-edge physics and traditional organic materials for a much greener future. Inside the facility, AI-driven robots sort the bamboo by diameter and age, their metallic fingers moving with calculated speed under the glow of golden holographic data. The screen flickers with vital statistics, displaying the moisture content and fiber density of each stalk, ensuring only grade A plus materials proceed to the next phase. The white architectural hub stands as a beacon of progress, where the raw strength of the forest meets the sophisticated logic of modern industrial engineering and design. Scanning is now complete. We are preparing to transform these raw natural filters into the building blocks of a sustainable future. The bamboo enters a high-tech sterilization chamber where stainless steel and glass create a sterile environment for the most advanced preservation treatment currently known to science. A specialized transparent preservation solution is pumped into the chamber under immense pressure, filling every pore of the bamboo as tiny bubbles dance on the wood's surface. Observe the intricate process of pressure impregnation at 150 pounds per square inch, where the solution penetrates deep into the cellular structure to provide lasting durability and timeless strength. Rings of pulsing blue light begin to move along the bamboo poles, initiating a quantum wave sterilization process that permanently alters the internal fiber bond for protection. These quantum waves reorganize the bamboo's structure at a molecular level, creating an impenetrable barrier against decay and ensuring the wood remains resilient for many decades. A CGI visualization reveals the microscopic transformation, showing how the preservative bonds with the cellulose fibers to create a 100% anti-termite and fire-resistant material. This deep-level fusion is the secret to our longevity, turning simple forest wood into a high-performance material that rivals the strength and durability of industrial-grade steel. A technician in a sleek silver protective suit inspects the treated bamboo, using a handheld laser device to verify the consistency of the chemical penetration across the batch. The laser scans the surface with precision, providing real-time data on the structural integrity and chemical saturation of every single pole before it leaves the laboratory environment. With the quantum treatment finalized and the pressure testing successful, these bamboo poles are now biologically immortal and ready to be shaped into breathtaking architectural wonders. The bamboo poles are placed into advanced induction heating coils, where copper wires glow with an intense orange light, preparing the fibers for their artistic transformation. As the internal temperature rises, the lignin within the bamboo softens, allowing the rigid stalks to become flexible and pliable under the guidance of our precision machinery. A massive robotic arm gently bends the heated bamboo into a perfect parabolic curve, following a digital blueprint with an accuracy of plus or minus zero point 0.1 millimeters. The elegance of the curve is a testament to the harmony between nature's flexibility and the rigid precision of modern robotics, creating shapes once thought impossible. Suddenly, a blast of cold mist envelops the curved bamboo, instantly locking the fibers into their new shape as steam rises in ethereal swirls around the glowing metal. This rapid cooling process ensures the structural memory of the bamboo is preserved, making the curve permanent and incredibly strong, ready to support a massive megastructure. Small-scale dome modules are assembled by mechanical arms, testing the fit of each joint and the stability of the interlocking designs before moving to the construction site. Each joint is a masterpiece of engineering, designed to distribute stress evenly across the structure, utilizing the natural strength of the bamboo in a highly optimized geometry. The integrity of every module is verified by digital sensors, ensuring that the thermal shaping process has met the highest standards of safety and aesthetic perfection. Precision. Bending is complete. The components of our architectural masterpiece are now ready to be transported for the final grand assembly of the dome. Deep in the tropical valley, a magnificent sight emerges as the great bamboo megastructure takes shape. Its massive wooden skeleton rising like a futuristic nest against the clouds. Autonomous cranes and heavy lift drones work in perfect synchronization, lifting massive curved sections of bamboo into the air with the grace of a choreographed ballet performance. A drone carries a 30-meter curved beam to the very top of the dome, where it is positioned with satellite-guided precision by the team of expert engineers. Skilled workers, suspended by high-strength cables, weave through the structure like spiders, securing the bamboo with gold-tinted carbon fiber ties that are as beautiful as they are strong. These golden ties represent the marriage of ancient craftsmanship and space-age materials, providing the necessary tension as to hold the 50,000 individual bamboo elements together. The complexity of the lattice is breathtaking, a mathematical forest of intersecting lines and curves that creates a self-supporting shell capable of withstanding the most extreme weather. As the sun begins to set, the golden rays filter through the intricate bamboo weave, casting long geometric shadows across the construction floor in a display of natural art. The play of light and shadow highlights the organic texture of the material, reminding us that even in a high-tech world, the soul of our architecture remains rooted in nature. Standing at 35 meters high, the scale of the Great Dome is humbling, a testament to human ingenuity and the sustainable potential of the world's fastest-growing resource. The assembly is nearly complete. From 50,000 individual elements, one singular vision has emerged, a sanctuary of sustainability that honors the earth and elevates the human spirit. Step into a world where luxury meets the wild. The completed resort opens its doors, revealing a minimalist interior that breathes in harmony with the surrounding tropical rainforest. A guest in flowing white silk walks across the polished bamboo flooring, their footsteps silent in the vast, open space of the dome's magnificent and airy central atrium. The infinity pool reflects the intricate patterns of the bamboo roof, creating a seamless visual transition between the cool blue water and the warm golden hues of the timber. Exquisite crystal glassware sits upon a table of pressed bamboo, highlighting the refined texture of the material and the quality of this unique six-star eco-resort living experience. Automatic curtains glide open at the touch of a button, revealing a breathtaking panorama of the virgin forest, blending high-tech convenience with the raw beauty of nature. As night falls, the dome is transformed by hidden LED systems, casting a warm, amber glow that accentuates every curve and knot of the massive bamboo structure above. A sophisticated dinner party takes place under the vast wooden canopy, where the atmosphere is filled with the gentle hum of conversation and the soft clink of fine dining. Guests enjoy the stillness of the forest, reclining in custom designed bamboo lounges, while the scent of natural wood and essential oils creates a sensory experience of profound peace. The resort glows like a bioluminescent jewel in the